Oui, le problème là, si tu joues l'argent là, si AOS te voit l'argent, bon, t'apprends, mes amis. Pas pour date, moi, puis taxe ça, mais pas jamais voler l'argent, bon, moi. Bon, moi, le pour moi. Faut moi, les AOS. Non, besoin d'argent, mes amis, va raquer l'argent comme ça, dans nos pays. T'as sonné. De sonné. Poco, hold up, m'baratando, I can't hear. Meto sous speaker, now you go ahead, talk.
Sorry?
Yes, iOS.
Yes?
I filed my tax a long time ago. What happened to my tax?
Well, you see, sir, here's the problem. You have too much dependence on your tax.
Hello? No, don't tell me that. No. Because you people don't comprehend me. Understand me right. Okay?
Yes,
Listen.
sir, I understand.
You talk to me and tell me I have too many people.
Yes, you do, sir.
I do have people. No. Don't tell me this. People in the IT?
Yes, sir, indeed.
Yes, they dependent on me. I have my mom. She's dependent on me. I have my brother. All her kids. They dependent on me. IRS, I need my money. And it's my money. I need it now.
Sir, I'm afraid I can't do that.
Don't talk to me like that.
I'm so sorry, sir. I can't do that for you.
Don't talk to me like that.
I'm sorry, sir. The IRS don't allow that.
You can't tell me this. I spend money. I send money to IT 24/7. Don't talk to me like that. I need my money.
Well, sir, it is the rules. It's against the law. There's nothing I could do for you. So, I'm sorry.
IRS, s'il vous plaît. I don't want to go to IT for you.
Sir,
Send me my money.
Any problems with
IRS, s'il vous plaît. I don't want to go to IT for you. Send me my money, okay? Bye.